Welcome again. My name is Jane Wajira. I would like to take you through a binomial expansion. We have an example here. Expand the square root of 1 plus x over 1 minus x up to the term in x to power 3. So you're going to have a solution. So 1 plus x over 1 minus x square root can also be rewritten as 1 plus x over 1 minus x into bracket to power a half, which can also be rewritten as 1 plus x power a half 1 minus x power a negative a half. So this expression can be rewritten as this expression here. So we have a general formula to get any term in a binomial expansion, which is a plus b to power n. So after expanding, we are going to get a to power n, b to power 0. To get our second term, we differentiate our first term with respect to a. So we have plus n, a, n minus 1. We increase the coefficient of b over 1 factorial. Plus, to get our third term, we differentiate with respect to a. So we have n, n minus 1, a, n minus 2. We increase the coefficient of b squared over 2 factorial. Plus, to get our fourth term, we are going to have n, n minus 1, n minus 2, a, n minus 3, b to power 3 over 3 factorial. And to get any other term in binomial expansion, you continue with the same pattern. So from our expression, we have 1 plus x to power a half. You multiply by 1 minus x to power negative a half. So this expression 1 plus x over 1 minus x, we have said we can write it as 1 plus x a half and 1 minus x to power negative a half. So we are going to expand this part first, that is 1 plus x to power a half. Then we expand 1 minus x to power negative half. Then we multiply. So we are going to start with 1 minus 1 plus x to power a half. So from our general formula of expansion, we have this a first term, second term, fourth term, and fourth term here. So we have our a is represented by 1, b is represented by x, and n is represented by a half. So from our equation general formula, we have a power n. Our a is 1 power a half, b is x power 0, plus n is a half, and a is 1 power a half minus 1, and our b is x power 1 over 1 factorial, plus a half into bracket a half minus 1. We have a is 1 power a half minus 2, and our b is x squared over 2 factorial plus we have our n is a half minus 1, a half minus 2. We have a, which is 1, power a half minus 3. Then we have b, which is x, to power 3 over 3 factorial. So after substituting our values, we are going to get 1, because any number raised to power 0 is 1, and 1 raised to power any number is 1. So 1 times 1 is 1, plus a half x minus 1 over 8 x squared plus 1 over 16 x cubed. So after expanding this expression, we are going to get 1 plus a half x minus 1 over 8x squared plus 1 over 16x cubed. So we are going to expand the other part, which is 1 minus x to power negative a half. So 1 minus x to power negative half. So we still have our general formula here, which is a to power n, b to power 0, and the expansion continues. So we have our a. For this case, our a is represented by 1, our b is represented by a negative x, and our n is represented by a negative a half. So we are going to substitute these values on these expressions here. So our first term is represented by a to power n is 1 power a half. Then we have our b, which is negative x to power 0 plus we have our n, which is negative a half. We have our a, which is 1 power negative a half minus 1. Then we have our b, which is negative x power 1 over 1 factorial plus negative a half minus 1. We have our a is 1 power negative a half minus 2. Our b is negative x squared over 2 factorial. Then the other one is negative a half minus 1, negative a half minus 2. We have our a is 1 power negative a half minus 3. We have our b is negative x power 3 over 3 factorial. So after substituting all these values, we are going to get 1. We're going to get 1 plus a half x plus 3 over 8x squared plus 5 over 16 x cubed. But now from our expression here, we said square root of 1 plus x over 1 minus x can be written as 1 plus x to power a half 1 minus x to power negative 1 over 2. So we are going to multiply the expansion of this expression with this expression. The expansion for 1 plus x to power half is 1 plus a half x minus 1 over 8 x squared plus 1 over 16 x cubed. We multiply with the expansion of 1 minus x to power a negative half, which is 1 plus a half x plus 3 over 8 x squared plus 5 over 16 x cubed. So after the expansion, you are going to get 1. We multiply 1 with the whole of this equation, so we are going to have 1 plus a half x plus 3 over 8x squared plus 5 over 16 x cubed. We have the second and half, we multiply with this, so we are going to have plus a half x plus 1 over 4x squared plus 3 over 16x cubed. We go to the next one, so we are going to have minus 1 over x squared minus 1 over 16 x cubed. Then you go to the other one, which is plus 1 over 16 x cubed. So after adding the right terms together, we are going to get 1 plus x plus 1 over 2 x squared plus 1 over 2 x cubed, giving us the general expansion of the square root of 1 plus 1 plus x over 1 minus x. Its expansion is 1 plus x plus a half x squared plus a half x cubed. So that is the general expansion of this expression. Thank you for watching my video. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share. For more videos, open my YouTube channel. Thank you.